Okay, so when I am not growing the pot, you can see that I had to do construction. And I want to tell you that the contractor who built the place, he wasn't really thinking too well. I think he was on what do you call the dummy dust. Anyways, we got ourselves a header put in here because, as you can see, the mirror. Oh, you almost got a glimpse of Yuri, didn't you? The mirror that you see here was too short. It was ordered too short. And so what we do is we say, instead of sending it back to the factory, we have to, lower the header. And you will see that it will fit. But I just show you the certain stages of construction, you call it. And over here you can see I have some potato wine. It's one of our favorites. And we will eventually be making vodka. So anyways, let's don't get sidetracked. We're working on the drywall job.